Chinese stir-fried noodles vary greatly depending on region and occasion. For home-style stir-fried noodles, you can add different ingredients based on personal preference. Just pay attention to the cooking time of each ingredient. Today, we're making ham and egg stir-fried noodles. First, prepare the ingredients. Cut garlic scapes into sections. Mince the garlic. Ham shredded. Shred carrots. Crack and beat 2 eggs. Add a small amount of cooking wine. Prepare the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add a pinch of white pepper. Add an appropriate amount of water. Mix well. When the water boils, add the noodles. Add a small amount of salt. Cook until done, then remove. Rinse in cold water, then drain well. Add a small amount of light soy sauce and cooking oil. Mix well and set aside. Heat cooking oil over low heat and add Sichuan peppercorns. Remove once the color darkens. Turn to high heat and add the eggs. Once set, remove and set aside. Add a small amount of cooking oil. Add minced garlic. Add garlic scapes. Add shredded ham. Add the prepared noodles. Pour in the sauce and stir fry. Add carrots. Add minced garlic. Add the eggs back in. Stir fry over high heat. Done. serve and enjoy. Follow me to discover more Chinese home-style dishes.